Good morning students. Hope all of you are hale and hearty. In the previous class, we have discussed the format of the friendly letter. In this class, we will have a quick recap of the format so that you can ponder over all the points and the pattern. So let us begin. Friendly letter format. We will begin by writing the sender's address. That is, first, house number hyphen A by 20, comma, Robindro Nagor, comma, Midnapur hyphen pin code 721101, full stop. Then we will proceed to the date. After maintaining gap, we will write the date, that is 20th April 2020. No punctuation in this section. Then comes the salutation, that is, my dear Rimi, comma. The first letter of the name will always be capital. Then we will proceed to the introduction. Keep in your mind, the introduction sentence should be very much related to the topic. Whatever topic you will get in the question paper, keeping in mind, you have to write the introductory sentences. Do not write any sentence in an interrogative mode. Try to avoid that. Please do write the sentences, those are completely statement. Okay, and that should have a very pure connection to the topic. Then comes body. Here you will explain and then conclusion. After writing that, we will end the letter by writing the subscription. What is the subscription? As I do not have space here, I am writing here. That is, with love, comma, yours affectionately, comma, then your first name only, that is Rahul, then full stop. Understood, students? Hopefully this quick recapitulation was a beneficial one to you. So let us begin our grammar class. We will discuss today number. All of you just go through the study material first. Pause the video here. I have given a study material in the study material section. You please download that, because before we proceed in the explanation part, the material should be opened in front of you. So please first do that, then I'll start explaining. So students, let us begin with number. This is a revision class. We all will have a quick revision of the chapter. What is number? When we make a choice between a singular and plural, the concept of number in English grammar applies. Number actually matters in the use of nouns, pronouns, determiners and verbs in the simple present tense. Let me draw a column to make that idea very clear to you. Here, noun, pronoun, determiner, verb, simple present. Here singular, here plural. So, if we write kite here in singular, that will become what in plural? Kites. I write I here in the pronoun column, what will become in plural? That is we. If I write this in singular, that will become in plural what? These. If I write fly here, that will become in plural flies. Okay, students? In English, plurals are generally formed by adding s or es. These are called regular plurals. And some plurals are there who are formed following any other way. Those are called irregular plurals. So let us have a column here again. That is regular plurals and here irregular plurals. Regular plurals, as I said, we can have this regular plurals by adding s or es. For example, bird. Bird will be birds. Bus will be buses. Right? Wish will be wishes. Here, in irregular plurals, what we can get? For example, man, men, child, children, mouse, mice. Now, we will discuss certain rules of making plurals. When a singular ends with the sound made by the letters S, CH, SH, GE, we add ES. For example, S, bus, it will be buses. CH, match, will be matches. Then SH, dish, will be dishes. Then GE, bridge, will be bridges. We only add S if the singular ends in E. E. What will be the example? That is page. Page will be pages. Okay. Next rule. This is rule number 1. What is rule number 2? Rule number 2 is when a singular ends with the sound made by the letters P, T, K, TH, we add only S. Example, map, maps, rat, rats. Then with K, book, that is books. Then TH, that is bird, birds. Now comes rule number 3. If a singular ends in Y and it is preceded by a consonant, then Y will be replaced with I and we will be adding ES. For example, baby. Baby, this is ending is Y and it is preceded by consonant. B is consonant. So this Y will be replaced with I and we will be adding ES. If the singular ending in Y is preceded by a vowel, we will add only S. For example, boy. Boy. Ending is Y and O. O is what? That is vowel. So, we will add only S. Now comes rule number 4. Singular ends in O generally adds ES in the plural form. For example, studio. It ends in O, so we will add only S. Studios. In some cases, it adds ES in the plural. For example, potato. Potato ends in O will become P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. Potatoes. Rule number 5. If the singular ends in F or FE, this F or FE will be replaced by VES. For example, F or FE will be replaced by VES. For example, half. Ends in F will become halves. Then life. Ends in FE will become lives. Some noun, even if ends in F, only adds S in the plural forms. For example, handkerchief. This will become handkerchiefs. In some cases, plurals are making a change in the vowel sound. For example, man will become men. Goose will become geese. Foot will become feet. You can see there is a change in the vowel sound. In singular, it was man. Here, main. Double O is replaced by double E. Here, double O is replaced by double E. Rule number 7. Some nouns do not change in the plural. For example, fish will become fish. Ship will become ship. Deer will become deer. As you can see, there is no change in the singular form and the plural form. They will remain the same. Now, rule number 8. Some nouns are always used as singular, though they sound like plural. For example, news, politics. They are the singular forms, but they sound like plural, right? Rule number 9. Some nouns are always plural. Okay, for example, scissors, then trousers. In order to make them singular, we often add a pair of before them. That is rule number 10. What? A pair of scissors, pair of trousers. Understood, students? This was a detailed discussion of the chapter number. Now, you quickly go to the worksheet column. You will have a worksheet there. After going through all the rules once again, you solve the worksheet on your own. Hopefully, this class was beneficial to you. If you have any problem still, you can write in the comment section, as I always say. And this much all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself, take care of everyone around you. Stay happy, stay blessed, and stay at home. And have a good day ahead. Thank you for being so patient, students.